Member Statements, the member from Kingston and the Islands.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today to celebrate and honour the role of Polish troops in World War II Allied victory in Europe on this day of my father's 90th birthday. Polish war veterans, like my father, fought alongside Great Britain and the Allies from the very first day of the war until the very last. Her people showed extraordinary military bravery, and 240,000 paid the ultimate price. Many thousands of Poles were deported to Siberia, my father included, where they barely survived in the most dreadful conditions. His work ethic, resilience, and sense of social justice were surely born out of that suffering. Thankfully, my father escaped the Soviets, became a radar operator in the British Navy, spent the war aboard ship on campaigns in the Mediterranean and the English Channel. At the end of the war, he met my late mother in Scotland, and they emigrated to live in Kingston and the Islands, the veritable land of his youthful dreams. Many of those serving overseas never returned home. Veterans had to wait until September of 2009 for their heroic efforts to be officially recognized with the unveiling of the Polish War Memorial in London, England. We should never forget those gallant men and women, like my father, who remained firm friends of the Commonwealth through thick and thin. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, Dad. Happy birthday. Miko.